Hello students of 11th Commerce, I am Prabha. In my previous video, part 1 of Nature and Purpose of Business, I had explained about human activities and its types, types of economic activities, concept and characteristics of business, profession and employment. In this video, I am going to explain about objectives of business, types of objectives of business, economic objective of business, social objectives of business, and human and individual objectives of business. Let me explain one by one. The first topic is objectives of business. Students, the ends points towards which all business activities are directed are called objective of business. Every business is directed to the achievement of certain objectives. Objectives should be feasible and must be expressed in specific terms with a time limit for achievement. For example, the objective of a mobile company can be to increase the mobile users by 10% in 2 years. The next topic is types of business objectives. Students, business objectives may be categorized into 3 categories. The first is economic objectives, the second is social objectives, and the third is human or individual objectives. Let me explain one by one. The first is economic objectives of business. All of you know that business is an economic activity and its objectives are mainly economic in nature. The main economic objectives of business are as: the first economic objective is profit earning. All of you know that profit earning is the main objective of business. No business can survive for long without earning sufficient profit. A business needs profit not only for its existence but also for expansion and diversification. The second economic objective of business is survival for existence. Every business aims to ensure that it continues to survive and exist in the future. Survival is possible only when organization is able to earn enough revenue to cover its cost. The third is growth for expansion. A business needs to add to its prospect in the long run. For this, the business must grow and expand to survive in the long run. Growth of a business is measured in terms of sale volume, increase in number of employees, market share, number of products, etc. The next economic objective of business is creation of customer. Customers are the focus of all business activities. So, creation of customers is essential in order to earn profit. Next is innovation. Introduction of new ideas or new method of production is called innovation. Innovation plays a crucial role in increasing the competitive strength and improving the image of business enterprise in the mind of customers. Next economic objective of business is optimum utilization of resources. Every business enterprise aims to make best possible use of physical, financial and human resources. As we know that resources available with the business are generally limited. This objective can be achieved through employing efficient and competent workforce, making full use of installed machinery, and minimizing wastage of material. My next topic is social objectives of business. The objectives which are desired to be achieved for the benefit of society are called social objectives of business. Social objectives of business are as: the first is supply of quality product. Supply of quality product at fair prices improve living standards of people. The second is fair trade practices. Fair trade practices ensure that a customer gets the same product for which they pay. Next is generation of employment opportunities. Business provide employment to people without any discrimination as to caste, religion, or sex, etc. So, generation of employment opportunity is the social objective of a business. Next is protection of environment. Protection of environment maintain ecological balance in order to avoid various types of pollution. Next is community services. Community services in the form of providing training to unemployed person, health services, etc. to improve the reputation and public image of a business organization. The next social objective of business is welfare of employees. Business organization should aim to provide fair wages and reasonable working and living conditions to workers for their welfare. My next topic is human or individual objectives of business. The objectives which are related to the individual needs of the employees of an organization are called human or individual objectives. As employees are one of the most valuable resources for an organization, so satisfaction of their objective is very important. Human or individual objectives of business are as: first is to provide healthy and safe working conditions for employees. Next, to pay fair and competitive salaries and perks as they can maintain a reasonable living standard. Next is to provide opportunities for personal growth and development of employees. Next is to provide reasonable security of their services. Next is to provide various financial and non-financial incentives in order to motivate the workers. And the last human or individual objective of business is to encourage employees to take initiative and participation in the management. Students, now you are able to understand the meaning of objectives of business, types of objectives of business, economic objective of business, social objectives of business, and human and individual objectives of business. The remaining topics of this chapter will continue in next videos. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates. Thank you, students.